I from Urchfab. In today's video I'm going to be restoring the original MX5 brakes to go on the Mongrel. So these are the bigger brakes that the MX5 comes with. It was a sport model, so you got bigger brakes on it, so I'm just going to restore these, put a decent set of pads in, and should be good enough for what I want to do. So I've got this rebuild kit which I got from eBay, and I've got some gunmetal grey caliper paint which Matt, who's painting the car, gave me this. But let's have a look at what we get in here. So we've got new pistons, and then all new seals and boots, new pistons for the front, and then different greases for greasing everything. I thought it came with new slider pins as well, but obviously doesn't. So first thing we need to do is strip these down, try and get the pistons out, and if these are anything like every other single piece of that MX5, they'll probably be C-solid. So yeah, strip them down, wire wheel them off, and then we'll have a look at painting them. They actually came apart quite easy. I think it's probably had these rear ones replaced. They don't look that old. Alright, so I've got these stripped to with everything stripped out of them, all the seals, and I'm just going to wire wheel them off. I've got this needle scaler for getting some of the heavy rust off, and then I'm going to stick them in a bucket of Evapo rust for a day or two, and then hopefully they'll come out clean enough to paint. Right, so I have had these soaking in evapor rust for 2 days, but they're clean enough for me. These are all dry. Came out pretty good. All done. That paint seemed to work well. We'll have to wait and see how well it holds up to the heat and abuse. But yeah, it looked pretty good. I've got a couple of little bits, seal things left over. 4 of those, and they were in the front caliper kit, I think. So if anyone knows what those are for, be interested to know. And then there's these and an O-ring, but that I'm guessing was for the handbrake mechanism, probably behind all this bit, which I never took that off because I couldn't be bothered. But yeah, another little job ticked off.